YouTube, just a quick video to show you how I'm getting on with my little backpacks that I'm making for my two granddaughters. I've got so far, as I've probably shown you in a previous video, and I now need to finish off by putting some eyelets in here so that I can tie the cord through, and then that will be their backpacks. So I went on eBay, on Amazon, and I found this Hemline kit, and that's the tool that comes in it there, and it's quite a handy little kit. It's got the instructions on the back of what to do, and you just sort of flip it and it slides out, so you've got this nice tray and you can just keep it stored in that, so which is really handy. So I'm going to show you how I put the eyelets on. Here's one I've already done, the other one, so you can see they're there ready for the cord to be threaded. I haven't got any cord in this one because I'm waiting for the cord to come from eBay for this one, but I've practiced doing the eyelets, so I knew exactly what to do for the video. So right, I'm going to turn you round so you can see what I'm doing. Right, so first I'm going to put a bit of stiffener in just to support it where I'm going to put the hole. So I'm going to iron that on. It's self-adhesive, so you need to make sure that you've got the shiny side and then iron it on. Like that. And that'll just support it because it's quite a thin bit of fabric, this. I'm going to do the other side as well. Just to give it extra support. You don't have to if you feel your fabric is strong enough, but this is very weak cotton, so very thin, so I wouldn't want it to pull and the popper come out. So right, so then you get a block of wood, which my husband finally found for me in the garden. And when you're cutting the hole, you put the flat side, you can see there's a flat side and a groove side. You put the flat side up, the groove side down. And then you put roughly where you want the hole. And then you're going to knock that 3 times. And that should come through, and it has. There, that's fab. So then you turn this over so the groove side is up. You then put this in so it's coming over where the hole was. Just going to get that bit of fabric off there. Put that in like that, rest that on there. You then get one of these rivets, and there's a groove and a bit that's sticking up, ring bit that's sticking up. You have the sticking up ring bit facing upwards and that groove going down. And you put that over like that. So it's like that. See? Then you rest it, secure it onto the little tool. You then get this tool and you put that on there. You hold that firmly, and then 3 good blows. and that's done it. Okay, so then you thread the cord through the hole, put a knot on it, and then you've got your drawstring bag for the grandkids. And that worked perfect. That works perfectly with sort of a 2 to 5 year old. And I can just put some bits and pieces in there. But yeah, so that's all done. So fabulous little tool. This secures back in there like that, and it goes in the box like that, and then this slides over like that. So it's secure in its holder, ready for next time. And that was the Hemline Eyelet Maker, and I think it was £5 from Amazon. Okay, lovely. Well, thank you very much for watching, and hope you enjoyed, and catch you later. Bye for now.